Hi, my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear seats in your non-hybrid 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma. First, use a panel removal tool to press the red button and unlatch the center seat belt. Next, lift the passenger side seat and lock it into position using the seat strap. Now, use a 14mm socket to remove the two bolts holding the seat in place. Label your bolts and keep them in a plastic bag. Next, locate the seat release at the top of the seat and then remove the seat. Now, lift the driver's side seat and lock it into position. Using a 14mm socket, remove the two bolts holding the seat in place. Release the upper seat lock and then remove the seat. Be careful not to scratch any part of your truck with the steel seat brackets. Next, place the seat belt into the holder to keep it out of the way. Make sure to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all the social medias, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio installation upgrade on your 2024 and up Tacoma, whether you have JBL, non-JBL, hybrid, or non-hybrid.